Sharing a YouTube video link that starts at a specific time, it's quick and easy. Let's see how you can do it for yourself. Let's begin. First, you'll need to open your YouTube and go to the video that you want to share. Once you're on your video, for example, if you want this video to start at 7 minutes and 35 seconds exactly, to do so, you're going to click on Share, and at the bottom, you just copy link. You go to wherever you want to post it. So once you're there, you're going to paste the link and then type and t equals 7 minutes and 35 seconds. So once again, you're going to type and t equals 7 minutes, and for minutes and 35 seconds as for seconds. Once you send the link, whoever is going to click on this link, their video is going to start exactly at 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Let's check. I'm going to click on the link and the video is starting exactly at 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Now, if you want your video to start at less than a minute mark, you do the same thing. Click on Share and copy the link. Go to wherever you want to post it. You paste the link and then type and t equals, this time you don't need to mention minutes or seconds. So for example, if I want my video to start at 20 seconds, I just type t equals 20 and send this. Now if I click on this link, the video is going to start exactly at 20 seconds. Similarly, if you want your video to start at more than an hour long mark, you just type here, do the same thing, paste the link and type and t equals, let's say 1 hour 7 minutes and 35 seconds. So the video is not 1 hour long, so if you have a hour long video, you can do this by typing 1 hour, the minute, and then the seconds. And that's how you can share a YouTube video link that starts at a specific time. Thank you for watching.